Yes, Massive Room crew, back once again with another video. And today we are going to talk about a hectic week with Recycle. Been firing away trying to get everything to go. It's wasted 2 days of trying to sort all this out. But finally we're making some progress with Recycle using Windows 7. Now, there's a set of drivers called Nexi... Hold on, let me just say this properly. A set of ASPI drivers by Nexi Tech, and that company is exclusive rights owners, if you like, to this ASPI driver. And this is the only ASPI driver that works with Windows 7. Now you could use probably a standard ASPI driver with Windows XP, but I wanted to set up this machine with Windows 7. The reason why I was using Windows 7 32-bit, this is Windows 7 32-bit, is because it works really well with OmniFloppy, and I've got that all set up. I've got my Steam working on here, and plus I'm moving forward for the future by having Windows 7 for compatibility going forward and stuff. So these Nexi Tech drivers are really good, and I want to say special thanks to a man like Huey for his videos that he put up there. It really helped me to solve this issue, and all the comments of everybody who made suggestions and stuff. You know, Huey was a man he's a SCSI wizard, and he mentioned this driver and he told me to use version 1.40 with Windows 7 32-bit for this to work. Now I've got it now up and running now, but apparently because I don't have a license, it will only work for a bit, so you could just recycle the odd break and then save it up. Now I got in contact with Nexi Tech, and I spoke to them, well, didn't speak to them directly, through an email, and the last conversation I had with them is if we could agree a nice price that everybody would be happy to sort of use and download, they'll give me a special price for all of the users on the channel, because the actual license for this driver is actually $200, and I felt like, for me, even though I desperately needed it and I would have probably had to pay that, I just decided to contact them directly, because this was made for hard drives and stuff. I'm not sure if it was intended for AKAI samplers as per se. So I've decided to contact them directly. I've had, look, my popcorn stuck in my throat. Oh, wait, look, this popcorn has been stuck in my throat, yeah, for about a week. Popcorn husk since last week, and it won't come out. Oh, what a relief. Gross. Anyway, so as I was saying, I contacted them directly and I put a proposal to them for a price, and hopefully they're going to agree to that price, which means we as the AKAI users will get a super discounted price for this driver from Nexi Tech. Now hopefully this goes through. They said they'd sort me out a complimentary driver, so hopefully that's going to go through. I can't wait to get my hands on this driver and get the AKAI up and running. So the AKAI saga is actually sorted. So I'll give you a quick little demonstration, and hopefully you can see how that goes. Anyway, peeps, comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in using you know, your up-to-date ASPI Tech. I tried this with Mesa PC as well, and guess what? Mesa PC worked as well, mate. So I'm super stoked that you know, we're going to go forward with this. Anyway, comment down below, let me know if you want to use this driver you know, in your setup. Maybe you want to upgrade to Windows 7 32-bit on your old PC. That way, you know, your retro PC can sort of take a back seat and you can, you know, soup it up. I've got my Gigabyte UD3 LR, and also it's nice to know going forward I could get like a license to use that driver. So hopefully talks will go well with Nexi Tech. You know what? I've shown him some respect, man, because Nexi Tech. With that being said, let's give away a t-shirt. So the lucky winner of today's t-shirt is Bo. If your name comes up on the screen here, I'm not sure who it is, please get in contact thebusybeescience@gmail.com. Make sure you get in contact and I'll get a t-shirt posted out to you. Don't forget new merch up on www.sampleoids.co.uk. Got the Amen, and also got the rollers t-shirts and roller t-shirt caps, junglies 30s, 40s, and coming soon 50s varsity jackets. So that's it, peeps, for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications so you get emails as soon as I upload a video, because obviously I'm going to be doing little bonuses for the first few people to comment etc. Take care, God bless, peace.